I've been trying to grow my hair. I'm the girl that's never had long hair. And gusto ko magka-long hair. So, nag-grow ko na to hanggang dito sa baba. And I'm happy about it. Tapos, hindi ako yung taong laging napunta sa salon para magpa-treatment. But, I decided, para mas mapaganda siya is magpa-treatment ako. There's 2 places that I go to that always does my hair really nicely. But this time, I went to Palengke. Because I had something else that I did there. I had to do some errands. And then, I saw that there were salons there. So, sabi ko, sige, dito na lang ako magpapaayos. And then, sabi ko pa kay kuya, kung ano ang mas makakapagpa-healthy ng hair is yun ang gagawin. Wag yung makakapagpa-damage. Kasi di ba may mga treatments na ganun. And then, he gave me the more expensive treatment. Kasi mas maganda daw yun. It's called protein. And then, 2 weeks ko siya bawal banlawan. 2 weeks? 2 days. 2 days ko siya bawal banlawan. And then, nung binandawan ko is naging monster na yung hair ko. In short, nasunog siya and nasira. So, ending, sayang lahat ng aking pinaghirapan and I had to cut it all. Pinapabalik naman ako ni kuya dun sa palengke at gagawin daw niya ulit. Ibo-botox daw niya. Ang kaso lang, nagtanong-tanong ako yung botox daw is paplansyahin ulit. And sabi yung hair ko daw is hindi na pwedeng plansyahin kasi mas masisira. So, hindi ko talaga kaya yung itsura niya. So, I had to cut it all off and start over. So, yun. Hayain ang gumastos ng malaki next time. Wag nang masira yung hair. Just a reminder.